This retaining wall has failed, and if it went another winter, it could have taken the property with it. We're here at Mercer Island replacing this failed retaining wall. It's about 60 feet long and 4 feet tall and on an extremely steep slope. This is actually our second project at this property. Our plan is to remove the existing wall, build a more solid base for the foundation, and rebuild a stronger, more durable wall. It should take us about 3 weeks.
No drainage behind the wall, no geotextile fabric reinforcement, soil pressure buildup, extreme slope, and no caps and poor construction quality originally is what led to the failure. Walls don't usually fail because of age. They fail because of all these things and water pressure weren't managed. Because of wall height and permitting thresholds, we had to keep this wall under 4 feet, so we're actually building a secondary lower wall to stay compliant. A wall should lean slightly into the hillside, not fight it, and for this project we're reusing the existing blocks wherever possible. This is what actually keeps a wall standing, everything you don't see when it's finished.
We guarantee that our retaining walls will remain level and true for a minimum of 3 years from the date of installation. Due to the natural characteristics of Puget Sound soils, minor settling or movement may occur over time. These natural shifts do not indicate structural failure, and properly built walls are expected to perform well beyond the guarantee period.
Retaining walls aren't about just looks. They're about safety, longevity, and doing it once correctly. If you want to see how these kinds of problems are solved the right way, follow along for more.